The Yamaha TMAX Tech 2025 is not just a scooter, it's a statement of sophistication and power. Designed for those who seek the thrill of speed combined with the comfort of a premium ride, this masterpiece represents the pinnacle of urban mobility. Its sleek lines and aggressive stance exude confidence, while its advanced technology ensures an unparalleled riding experience. Every detail, from its aerodynamic curves to its meticulously crafted components, reflects Yamaha's commitment to excellence and innovation. At its heart, the TMAX Tech 2025 boasts a high-performance engine engineered to deliver breathtaking acceleration and seamless power delivery. Whether you're navigating bustling city streets or cruising on the open highway, this scooter responds with precision and agility. Its enhanced suspension system absorbs every bump with ease, ensuring a smooth and stable ride regardless of road conditions. The perfectly tuned chassis provides exceptional handling, giving you the confidence to take on sharp turns with ease. Innovation is at the core of the TMAX Tech 2025. It features a state-of-the-art digital dashboard that provides real-time information at a glance, ensuring you stay connected and informed on every journey. The intuitive interface allows for seamless navigation through various settings, enhancing the overall riding experience. Its smart key system offers unmatched convenience, enabling keyless ignition and secure access with just a touch. Every aspect of this scooter is designed to make your life easier and your rides more enjoyable. Safety is paramount, and the TMAX Tech 2025 is equipped with cutting-edge safety features to keep you protected on the road. Its advanced braking system delivers powerful stopping performance, while the traction control system ensures optimal grip even in challenging conditions. The adaptive lighting system automatically adjusts to your speed and surroundings, providing enhanced visibility and safety during night rides. With these features, you can ride with confidence, knowing that your safety is always a priority. The TMAX Tech 2025 redefines luxury and comfort. Its ergonomically designed seat provides superior support for long rides, while the spacious under-seat storage allows you to carry all your essentials with ease. The adjustable windscreen offers customizable protection from the elements, ensuring a comfortable ride regardless of weather conditions. The premium sound system enhances your journey, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music while on the move. Fuel efficiency and environmental responsibility are integral to the TMAX Tech 2025's design. Its advanced engine technology optimizes fuel consumption while reducing emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice for modern urban mobility. The lightweight construction further enhances efficiency, allowing you to go farther on every tank. This scooter not only delivers exceptional performance but also contributes to a cleaner, greener future. Yamaha has always been synonymous with quality and durability, and the TMAX Tech 2025 is no exception. Built with the finest materials and subjected to rigorous testing, this scooter is designed to withstand the demands of daily commuting and long-distance travel. Its robust frame and high-quality components ensure long-lasting reliability, giving you peace of mind every time you hit the road. Customization options allow you to personalize your TMAX Tech 2025 to match your style. From a range of vibrant colors to exclusive accessories, you can make this scooter uniquely yours. Whether you prefer a sporty look or a more elegant appearance, the TMAX Tech 2025 adapts to your taste, allowing you to express your individuality on every ride. The riding experience offered by the TMAX Tech 2025 is unmatched. Its responsive throttle and agile handling create a dynamic and exhilarating ride, while its smooth transmission ensures effortless acceleration. The carefully designed exhaust system produces a distinctive sound that complements its sporty character, enhancing the overall sensory experience. With every twist of the throttle, you feel the perfect balance of power and control. Comfort is a key focus, and the TMAX Tech 2025 excels in providing a luxurious ride. Its advanced suspension system absorbs road imperfections, ensuring a plush and stable journey. The spacious seating position accommodates riders of all sizes, allowing for relaxed and comfortable riding even on long trips. The heated grips and seat provide warmth during cold weather, adding an extra layer of comfort to your ride. The TMAX Tech 2025 is more than just a means of transportation, it's a lifestyle choice. It represents freedom, adventure, and the thrill of exploration. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a weekend getaway, this scooter empowers you to live life to the fullest. Its unmatched performance, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge technology make every ride a memorable experience. The attention to detail in the TMAX Tech 2025 is evident in every aspect of its design. From the seamless integration of technology to the meticulously crafted bodywork, this scooter reflects Yamaha's dedication to perfection. Its striking LED headlights provide a distinctive look, while the sleek tail design enhances its aerodynamic profile. Every element is carefully crafted to create a harmonious and visually appealing appearance. The TMA X-Tech 2025 is engineered for those who refuse to compromise on style, performance, or comfort. It embodies the spirit of innovation and adventure, inspiring riders to push boundaries and explore new horizons. This scooter is not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about experiencing the joy of the journey. It's about embracing the road and discovering the world around you. With the TMA X-Tech 2025, Yamaha continues its legacy of creating iconic scooters that redefine urban mobility. It combines cutting-edge technology with timeless design, offering a unique blend of style, performance, and practicality. This scooter is designed for modern riders who demand the best and expect nothing less. It's a symbol of freedom, power, and sophistication. In conclusion, the Yamaha TMA X-Tech 2025 is the ultimate expression of style, performance, and innovation. It sets new standards in the world of scooters, delivering an unparalleled riding experience that is both thrilling and luxurious. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of scooters, the TMA X-Tech 2025 offers everything you need and more. It's more than just a scooter, it's a masterpiece on wheels. With its advanced technology, exceptional performance, and luxurious comfort, the TMA X-Tech 2025 is designed to elevate your riding experience to new heights. It's a scooter that redefines what's possible, challenging conventional boundaries and inspiring riders to dream bigger. The Yamaha TMA X-Tech 2025 is not just a ride, it's a lifestyle. It's a statement of who you are and what you stand for. Experience the thrill of riding the Yamaha TMA X-Tech 2025. Feel the power, embrace the comfort, and discover the freedom that comes with owning the most advanced scooter in its class. Whether you're exploring the city streets or embarking on an adventurous journey, the TMA X-Tech 2025 is your perfect companion. It's time to ride into the future with confidence and style. Choose the Yamaha TMA X-Tech 2025 and make every ride an unforgettable experience. It's not just about reaching your destination, it's about enjoying the journey. It's about the thrill of acceleration, the comfort of luxury, and the pride of owning a masterpiece. The TMA X-Tech 2025 is ready to take you on an adventure of a lifetime. Are you ready to ride the future?